All right, in order to get started with our projects, we're obviously going to click on this link. Notice it will open up our microbit coding website. Once you get to here, now to get to our projects lessons, what we're going to do, we're going to come up here to the top left corner, click on projects, select projects again, and then we're going to begin with flashing heart. Now you'll notice it will take a few moments to get the lesson started. Just please be patient. The nice thing about these lessons, it gives you like a little tutorial on how to get this started. You'll notice it's placed a show label. Let's just give me show leads block in the on start block and draw a heart. So you guys can see on start we have here, and we have a run forever. So what I'm going to do here, I'm just going to click OK. So I'm going to get into my basics, show leads. I'll place that there, just as it asked us to. But now notice, guys, you could click these things and drag them around just like any other block, like we did when we were working with our code.org. Okay, so you guys can see it says place the show leads, which you have, block, in the on start block, and draw a heart. So what we have to do, we just have to draw a heart. So let's see if we can quickly draw a heart or something similar to that. Let's see if I can get this. Maybe. Let's color it and see if that helps. There you go, that looks pretty good. All right, so once I get that, I'm going to click on my next button. Now, as it says, click download to transfer your code to your microbit. Okay, so right here is your download, and then that would go to our microbit if we were using our microbit at this time. We're not using our microbit at this time, so we're just going to keep moving forward. So I'm going to click on next, and you'll notice I'm on step 3 of 7 right now. Okay, now next here, we need to place another show leads block underneath this one. Okay, just as our directions say. So go back to my basics and go back into show leads. Okay, and now what we need to do, we need to make it blink. Okay, so let's see how we can make it blink. Now, if you're not quite sure how to make it blink, which is a little bit confusing, well, you could always check out the hints here. So when I click on my hint, you'll see that it'll show me. It says place another show leads block under the heart to make it blink. So we have another one. Now I just want to make it just the outline, nothing filled in on the inside. Okay, so let's try that. I guess I need to fix this one up here too, as they're showing. All right, so all I'm going to do is just the outline on this one. There we go. So now when you see it, it will start blinking. So on the start, you'll see it blink. Let's refresh that. As you keep refreshing, it'll show the blink. Pretty cool. All right, so that's just how you work through these process of doing some of these little quick modules. Notice you could click ahead, you could click back if you didn't get something. But again, make sure you're always looking at these hints. All right, I'm going to finish this one up here with you guys. Click on next. So it says move the blocks inside the forever to repeat the animation. Okay, so we have our animation. Now notice I can't do this. It doesn't work that way. Okay, but if I could take these blocks out and I can move it into my forever. And there you go. You can see it blink now. Looks like a pulsating heart. Pretty cool. Let's keep going. Obviously, to download it, again, I'm not downloading to my microbit at this time, but we're just going to keep looking off of here and using this. Okay, so step 5 is done. Go to step 6. It says place the show leads block to create your own animation. Okay, so let's do that. Let's see what else we could do. All right. And again, if you need a hint, you come here. Okay, what do I want? Well, maybe I want it to go full heart to smaller heart to smaller heart. Let's see if we could do that one. So you grab another show leads. Maybe I'll put a smaller one for this one. Let's see. What do you think? Let's check out our hint. Did I do it right? Okay, looks pretty good. All right, that one's good. Keep going to the next one. Obviously, you want to download, and then you could just click on Finish. Okay, so we could go to More Tutorials, and next thing we're going to do is go to Smiley Buttons. And we'll do the same thing working through this one by working into Smiley Buttons. Okay, hopefully this helps out, and let's get you started.